How to delete your profile picture in Yelp. Hey everybody, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so, so let's just get started without any delay. For that, you may just go ahead and access the Yelp website first of all, and once you are there, you should be finding this kind of interface on your screen. Now what you may do is you can look out for the menu which is located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and then once you tap on it, these options will pop up on your screen. So look out for the option of settings within the options, which is on the third last option. Tap on it, and then once you tap on it, you will be taken to this account settings. Now you may tap on the option called profile within account settings. Tap on it, and when you tap on your profile, there it will give you all of your profile details, including your profile photo and everything. So you may just go ahead and look out for the section of add and edit. Tap on it, and when you tap on it, there it will show you your profile photos available. So I have this profile photo available right now. If I would like to delete it, what you may do is we need to tap on the picture, and once we tap on the picture, in this section right here at the very top, we can find a small icon of remove photo. You can tap on it. For easier access, you can use a desktop instead. And when you do, it will ask us, are you sure you want to remove this photo? So you can tap on yes, we would like, tap on remove, and confirm it, and save up the changes. In that way, the photo will be removed and your profile picture will also be removed from Yelp. So that is that you may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.